Hello guys, today we're about to make a very loud video for y'all. Maybe it's gonna ruin our ears and stuff. It's gonna be ear rape. So I put it on. Alright. Okay. So it'll start in 3, 2, 1. Alright, it's about to do it. It hurts your ears? Comment, let me know.